This is our wireless Speed Queen setup, where this one could be run on 110 as it is right here, or 220 for a Speed Queen washer or dryer for either a coin drop or a coin slide. We have a transmitter in here that sends to the receiver a signal. When it's a coin drop, it has many signal it sends as it needs to be. When it's a coin slide, it's gonna get one signal. You connect your power 110 or 220 with this kind of connector. Here it is just for the demonstration. And then the outgoing is going to your Speed Queen harness that you're gonna connect to your machine with this kind of setup. I was talking about that. This is for your incoming wire on the 110 or 220. These are our contact number. You could contact xcpcorp.com or phone number 352-678-3021.
Let me add pulse version coin slide. Right here, you wouldn't be using this at all. You would go directly to your two wires that are connected to the little micro switch, and you would connect them utilizing the splice connectors right here on the two wires. This is just our test unit that we send out to customers to see if their equipment is indeed a Speed Queen pulse version for either coin drop or coin slide. Any questions? Contact XCP 352-678-3021. Thank you for the video.